Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on the first guitar solo of Breeze from Sainte Marie. So it starts a little bit after the D starts. So it'd be like this. And it's weird, you're kind of playing around with the rhythm, so it'd be like... So you're going to be going down this A minor scale. But instead of going to here, you're going to go to here first. And then you're going to go up. And then all the way down to here. So it goes. And then it goes. And those are all very jumpy notes. Then you got these three notes that are very fast in a row that go. So that is pointer finger on the 7th fret of the A string. And then the next string. And the same thing on the string after that, but you go back down, and then to there, and then back up. So it goes, and then to here. And then slide, back down, hammer on, pull off. So that whole section is... And then at the end we have this. And that's all very fast. So you're using your palm and you're muting the strings down here, kind of muffling it. So you're putting your pointer finger on the 9th fret of the G string, going to the 10th, then pinky on the 12th, and then you got right here, starting on the 10th fret, going to 12, and then 13. And then to there. And then slide up. Then you're going to go back down to here and you're going to do a pull off. And then back to 12. And then you got the main little melody with a new fill. This time it goes, so that's a hammer on, pull off. And then to 7, back to the B string, 5, G string 5, and then D string 7. So it goes. Yes, and so that's the first of many guitar solos. We'll get to the second solo next week. Good luck, sir. Good luck.